Hello dear fans. How to get calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is common quicklime. But, despite such a simple nature, this substance is very widely used in economic activities. From construction as a base for lime cement to cooking as a food additive E529, calcium oxide finds use. In both industrial and household conditions, calcium oxide can be obtained from calcium carbonate by thermal decomposition. Necessary: calcium carbonate in the form of limestone or chalk. Ceramic crucible for annealing. Propane or acetylene burner. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare a crucible for annealing calcium carbonate. Place it firmly on fire-resistant stands or special fixtures. The crucible must be firmly installed and, if possible, secured. Step 2. Grind the calcium carbonate. Grinding must be done for better heat transfer inside the mass of the substance. It is not necessary to grind limestone or chalk into dust. Coarse, non-uniform grinding is sufficient. Step 3. Fill the annealing crucible with crushed calcium carbonate. It is not necessary to fill the crucible completely, since when carbon dioxide is released, some of the substance may be thrown out. Fill the crucible about a third or less. Step 4. Start heating the crucible. Install and secure it well. Warm up the crucible smoothly from different sides to avoid its destruction due to uneven thermal expansion. Continue to heat the crucible on the gas burner. After a while, the reaction of thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate will begin. Step 5. Wait until the thermal decomposition reaction is complete. During the reaction, the upper layers of the substance in the crucible may not heat up well. They can be mixed several times with a steel spatula. Step 6. Cool the crucible and the substance in it. Turn off the gas burner and wait for the crucible to cool completely. It now contains calcium oxide. Thanks for watching.